Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to transfer contract carriage luxury cab permit in Telangana. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Telangana Transfer Contract Carriage Luxury Cab Permit. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instructions which are useful for completing this procedure as a new applicant. Also, you can see few links for external websites and forms which are very much important for completing this procedure. You will understand the importance of these links in the due course of our presentation. List of items covered in this session includes need to transfer a contract carriage luxury cab permit, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, and other information. Today, this presentation is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com. Need to transfer contract carriage luxury cab permit. So, luxury cabs are 3-box AC and air heated sedan cars of 1100 cc and above, and with a seating capacity of 4 plus 1. These contract carriage luxury cab permit are needed for a cab to carry passengers on a hire basis from one point to another. One cannot operate his vehicle without this permission for this purpose on the allowed route. The need for transferring such a contract carriage luxury cab permit arises with the demise of the owner of the permit. So, the legal heir has to apply for transferring the permit from the demised person's name to his name. Let us see the documents required for this procedure. You need application PCOA. With the help of this link, you can directly download this form. And this link which is on top of this is available for you to get the forms related to permits in all services. I will show you both the forms link and how it is easy for you to access. This is the first link which will open the general forms for related to permit, and this is the PCOA form which is directly available with the link as provided. Please download the form, take a printout and complete the form. Have the valid permit in your hand. Registration certificate, fitness certificate and insurance certificate of the vehicle is required. Proof of payment of tax for the current quarter. Death certificate in relation to the permit holder, copy of the letter in which the death of the permit holder was intimated to the competent authority, an affidavit to the effect that the other legal heirs or the other family members are not not objecting the permit transfer to the applicant's name is required. Payment of green tax wherever applicable, age proof, address proof, legal hire certificate, Aadhaar card are the documents required for this procedure. How to apply in person? To transfer contract carriage luxury cab permit in Telangana, the applicant has to approach the RTO office concerned for his area. Please follow the link provided here to reach the contact page of the State Telangana Transport Department page to know the details of RTO office and make a mark of the address which is related to your area RTO office. Application forms, as I said, can be downloaded with the help of these two links. Make sure you have all the required documents. Nowadays, you can fix appointment with the RTO office with the help of the link provided here. Please click on the link to reach the online portal page of Telangana State Government Transport page. In this, please select online transactions, all transactions and slot availability. Please select this option to go to the next window to select the district and the test center which you wanted to perform and say submit. You will get the calendar for the month. Please select the date appropriate for you and select the slot convenient for you to complete the online appointment procedure. Application forms can be obtained directly from the RTO office when you visit. Please complete the form, attach all the documents, submit the application to the officer there in RTO. He will mark the amount and the counter which you need to pay. Please pay the fees and submit the form to the officer there. After receiving your documents, official will start processing your application. Important verification for the vehicle, including vehicle condition, seating arrangements, etc., will be carried by the authorities to make the safety of the users. After checking the vehicle for its correctness and other appropriate requirement, the application will be processed further to grant the transfer of contract carriage luxury cab permit. How to apply through state portal? The link provided below here will help an applicant to reach the online portal of the State Telangana Transport Department page. In this page, you can do online procedure for applying for this procedure. We are concerned with a permit related requirement. Under the permit related requirement, please go to transfer of permit. Click on the transfer of permit to go to the next page. Different options will be displayed. Please select transfer of permit. Upon selection, there is a drop down menu which will ask you to enter the registration number, last 5 digits of the chassis number, mobile number in which the OTP will be sent to you, and say request for OTP. Once you click on this, a OTP will be sent to the mobile number which you entered here. Please enter the OTP here and say click details. You will be taken to the next window to enter all the required details and upload all the required documents to complete the application procedure. You will get an acknowledgement stating on date and time which you need to meet the RTO officials. On the said date, please go to the RTO office before 11:30 a.m. along with the printout of the application and the acknowledgement along with all the set of documents. Please submit them to the officer there. He will mark the amount which you need to pay at the right counter. Please pay the fees and submit the document to the officer there. Once he receives your document, the actual process of verifying and inspecting the vehicle will take place to grant the transfer of contract carriage luxury cab permit. Eligibility: legal hire is eligible for transfer of these permits. Validity remains unchanged. Usually permit is valid for 5 years. The renewal of permit can be obtained with the vehicle fitness certificate and FC as per the authorities of the concerned RTO. The age of the vehicle also limits the validity. Fees. The link provided below here will be useful for an applicant to understand the services and the charge which is mentioned in the page. Please click this link to reach the page where you will be given the services and the fees involved for each services. So this will make you equipped to know how much you have to spend on this service before reaching the RTO office. Processing time: it takes 5 working days to get the permit. Officers and contacts: Transport Commissioner, Government of Telangana State Transport Department, Somajiguda, Hyderabad, Telangana. Mobile number, phone number, email ID are provided here for personal interaction to clarify your doubts and complaints. Also, the 2 links provided underneath are very much useful to an applicant in Telangana in order to understand the city level offices and officers, also the district level unit officers details for personal interactions. Online resources: we have seen the permit form and contact details in online. Also, other information which are provided through the help of these websites are very much needed to complete this procedure. So we have provided these websites as links in appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: an operator with luxury cab permit should not permit more than 4 passengers in his vehicle. Proper payment of tax fees is required to travel in other states other than the permitted state. FC for clearance is a process meant for reviewing the condition of the vehicle by the RTO authorities. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to transfer contract carriage luxury cab permit in Telangana. Thank you.